Your hiccups aren't a malfunction, they're an ancient program your body never uninstalled. Every hic starts with your diaphragm clenching, and a split second later your airway slams shut to make the sound. A tadpole runs the same sequence to pump water across its gills without flooding its lungs. Respiratory physiologists proposed you inherited the circuit from gill-breathing ancestors. The evidence grows in the womb. 9 weeks into pregnancy, before your lungs could work, you were already hiccuping. Babies hiccup often, then the reflex quiets. A full stomach or a gulp of air can still trip the old switch. It never got deleted. Every hic might be the old program, still running.